If your Instagram stories has no music found in the search results, or if you're looking on their browse, it's very limited. There is most likely a reason behind it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. One is, if you search for a song and it's just not here, it most likely means the song is not part of Instagram stories. They don't have it in their library, right? This is not a full catalog of all songs. It's just what Instagram has made a deal to show you over here to add to your stories. But outside of that, this is the main reason why this is the case. Let me go out of here and let's go to the three lines and let's go to settings because your account type might be limiting your music results. So to change that, this is what you need to do. You need to go to the account tab here and then go to the bottom and you need to switch your account type. You need to switch it back to personal accounts. If you want full access to everything, Instagram story says, as far as music goes, I'm on a creator account. And I have also business accounts, and those limit the type of music you could choose because you may be using it to get clients and use it for advertising. So personal accounts don't have that limitations. So make sure you test this out, switch back to personal. You could always switch back to creator and business and to see if that solved your problem of Instagram stories showing no music results when you're searching for it. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.